In this video, we're going to teach you a couple of basics of West Coast swing that you might not learn in beginner class. One is called a free spin and one is a wrap in, wrap out. They're great patterns to learn next once you've mastered your basics. My name is Brian B. from West Coast Swing Online. We've got you covered for everything you need for West Coast swing. With that being said, let's get started learning these two cool patterns. All right, let's take a look at the free spin for West Coast swing. This is going to start in a leader's right to follower's left, so we probably get to that by doing a sugar push or push break before to get that handhold. Let's take a quick look. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And again from the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, leaders, your footwork for the free spin for West Coast swing. I'm going to do it from this side. As you can probably see now that we're working basically off of a fundamental set of footwork. So this is a left pass, left side pass. So what I'm going to do is the exact same footwork as my left side pass. I step back and diagonal for 1. I'm out of the slot for 2. I remove my left foot for 3 and 4. I step back in the slot and we triple 5 and 6. If I did it from the other side, I'm working out of the slot to my right so the follower can pass in the left. We have 1, 2. I'm out of the slot. 3 and 4. I'm back in the slot and we triple 5 and 6.
Followers, your footwork. This is going to be the same footwork you used for your left spinning side pass. So we have forward, forward. Now we're going to turn, triple step, and triple in place. So if we did that back the other way, we have a walk forward, forward. Making sure that we're prepped over our left side, we're going to turn, triple step, and triple step. With counts, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and one last time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
All right, the free spin. How do we do this? So we said before it's going to commence with my right hand to my follower's left hand, right? How do I get there? Number 1, I could just start there. Number 2, very common, I would probably dance a push break to change hands to get to that handhold. Now from here, I'm going to lead a free spin. So we step 1. On the second step, I need to prep or prepare Megan, like we did in the inside turn previously. I'm going to send this hand slightly away from me. Now, I don't want to send this too big. 1, 2, too much. You'll see Megan will turn too much, right? I need to dance 1 and then 2 slightly forward. Now, at this point, we still maintain connection. Megan uses her elbow, my elbow, and our fingers. Now, from here, leaders, as I retract my left foot, there's just a little retraction of that hand, which will set Megan spinning. Triple step, anchor step. So again, we're going to connect leader's right, follower's left. We're leading a left side pass footwork, but with the prep. 1, 2, we've led the prep. We retract the hand. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now this is a great pattern to lead for the followers when they're a little bit more uncomfortable turning, because the hand over their head for a typical turn can be a little bit challenging. So if I use this hand, I can still prep the follower. 1, prep, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. All right, let's take a look at the roll in, roll out 6-count pattern. It looks like this. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. From the other side, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. All right, leaders, footwork for the roll in, roll out. We're walking back out of the slot for 1. We continue out of the slot for 2. As we roll in, we triple 3 and 4, stepping on the rail of the slot, and then working our anchor back in the slot on 5 and 6. If we do it again from the other side, we're peeling out like a left side pass for 1. Together for 2, she rolls in for 3, and on 4, I step in on the rail of the slot, and then work my way back in on my 5 and 6.
Followers, your footwork. I'm going to go from over here on the side. We have an inside turn that's going to land forward. So we have walk, walk, we're going to turn, triple step, and then we're going to anchor back around for triple step. Let me do it on this side. We have walk, walk, we're turning for a triple forward, and then turning back around for a triple step. If I did that with counts, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6.
All right, let's talk about leading and following the roll in, roll out. This is going to work with a leader's right hand to the follower's left hand. We could get there with doing something like a sugar push or push break, 4, 5, and 6 to make sure we're in that handhold. We're going to roll in for 1. I'm going to prep the follower slightly forward so Megan lands on her left foot for count 2. I'm going to roll this hand in gently for 3 and 4. I'm going to step in close to my follower. This right hand is now at a stopping point, so Megan is going to anchor away from that hand on 5 and 6. So again, we have 1. We prep the follower on 2. We roll in for 3 and 4. Now I'm stopping Megan, but I'm not stopping her with a rope, right? I don't want her to run into this harshly, but I want to allow her to be forward on the right foot for count 4, and then we're going to leave this hand in place as she anchors away for 5 and 6. If we actually look at it coming this way, you'll be able to see the hand. We have 1, we prep 2, 3, and 4. You can see with my right side, I'm allowing Megan to be over that right foot, and then she's going to anchor away 5 and 6. And that is your roll in, roll out in the West Coast Swing syllabus. All right, game, hope you enjoyed learning those patterns. If you want to know what to learn next, you can hunt around right here and start learning some intermediate patterns. But if you want a step-by-step way to level up your West Coast Swing, you should head on over to our website, westcoastswingonline.com. You can click this link right here, take a peek. We've got everything leveled out in 5 levels: beginner, beginner, intermediate, intermediate, advanced, pro level patterns. We have tips and tricks to improve your spins, connection, musicality, anything that you want to become an amazing social dancer. You can try it right here or in the description below. 14 days, totally free.